morning guys, it's your boy Chazer is back with another video. So this is gonna be my third day for this long drive trip inside Malaysia. Right now I'm at Kelly. It's a border town, a border city. It's a small border town, and I just woke up and now heading to very near to the border. I'm 70 kilometers away from the border. Just woke up, but first thing first, need to brush my teeth. I do not want to be stinky and smelly. You better not. Do not brush your teeth while driving. It is dangerous. Unless you know how to control a car like that, or like no control needed, then do not. And it's time for daily trimming. I do not want to forget about it. Daily trimming is necessary for me. The roads here are pretty relaxed. That gets me into driving like this. I can chill, relax, do my things, and sometimes even leave the steering. You are not watching a movie for sure. So this is the last ever village of Malaysia. See a rambutan tree, some fruits over there. They have a beautiful palm garden over there. Ladies and gentlemen, there you go. So this is the Thai border that I was talking about. So this right now I'm at Malaysia. The opposite side of the river is Thailand. There's a small town over there, small village over there. That's the last house I believe in Thailand. And this is the last house in Malaysia. Beautiful green snake. I think this is a tree snake. I have never ever seen a tree snake this close before. He's going to the rambutan tree, probably for the fruits of rambutan. They just smelled it and they're sneaking into the tree. I met some Thai people here. You're Thai or Malaysian?
Thai.
You're also Thai? Oh, okay. That's good. So this is the last village, the last small town over here, and met these beautiful Thai people here. But they're dwelling in Malaysia. This is Malaysia, right?
Yeah, Malaysia.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's cool.
Malaysia.
Sawadee-ka. Sawadee-ka, sorry. So guys, I just made it to the Malaysia and Thai border. So it was fantastic. I met some village people over there. It was the last border town, a small town where some of the Thai people were dwelling over there, and they're living pretty happily. I believe the fun fact is, even those Thai people, even though they are native Thai, they cannot cross the border just like that. They have to cross with their own passport. And surprisingly, they have Thai passport instead of Malaysians. That's pretty cool. Okay, so this is the thing. I am going to Jalawang Gua Musang. So Gua Musang is the waterfall. This waterfall is so tall and it's very big. And I just wanted to make sure that I get indulged with the waterfall and take a bath over there, and it would be very nice. So right now I am 7 kilometers away from the Jalawang waterfall. Guys, check this out. So this is Jalawang waterfall. Whoa, this is so tall. Here I still need to keep going down to reach the waterfall base. I believe that would be the base, the small town over there. See that? Whoa. Okay, the waterfall is very skinny and it's getting a little bit more fat as it goes down. Voila la! I'm very excited. I just officially made to the Gunung Stong. I'm sorry, they call it Gunung Stong instead of Jalawang waterfall. The Stong waterfall. And there's the entrance fee for 5 ringgit. That gives you the parking, the entry. trying to get up there. So this is another peak, the old trees. So the waterfall doesn't stop here. It has more elevations. So this is one step. Above them, they have more. There's an old hanging bridge over there. Do mind your steps because you want to fall off the bridge. So you can go until the bridge, you can cross the bridge, and that's the end. You cannot go any further up over there because no trails to go up. If you want to go up to the top, you have to take a hike. I'm not sure how much is that, but they have an offer going on that you can hike up there with a tour guide. There will be a guide for you. I have a bit of advice for you guys who are lonely travelers or who doesn't initiate a travel plan just because they're lonely. They do not have any friends or their friends do not want to go to a place that you wanted to go. So do not wait for anybody. Come on guys. The world is actually safer than you think. There are risks though, but still the journey you're gonna make, even though you start the journey alone, but you'll end up eventually having a lot of new friends, and these friends will be welcomed in your life and they will be your true friends. Trust me, that's how you make new friends. You go travel, you go say hi to people, they will admire you, they will show you their cultures, they will treat you their local foods. I get so many offers from different friends thanks to these beautiful people in the world.